Welcome to my weather app project, built with React and Tailwind CSS. This app lets users search for weather updates by city name and fetches real-time data from the OpenWeather API. It displays the weather image dynamically changes based on weather conditions like clear, cloudy, or rainy, creating an engaging visual experience. At the top, there is a search bar where users can enter a city name to check its weather instantly. When a city is entered, the app fetches live weather data and displays temperature, conditions, and location details. Now, let's talk about state management, particularly loading and error states. We use a loading state with setLoading to indicate when data is being fetched. When a user searches, setLoading, true, is triggered and a spinner or loading text is displayed. Once the data is successfully fetched, setLoading, false, is called, and the weather information replaces the loading indicator. Similarly, we handle potential errors with an error state using CTERR. For example, if a user types an invalid city name, CTERR stores an error message. This error message is then displayed on the screen, guiding users to enter a valid city name or try again later. Together, setLoading and CTERR ensure smooth and user-friendly interactions while fetching weather data. The rest of the UI is powered by Tailwind CSS, with responsive design, smooth transitions, and dynamic backgrounds managed in app.jsx. For better reusability, components like search weather are separated and integrated into the main app component, keeping the code organized. The app works seamlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices, making it fully responsive. Thank you for watching this tour of my weather app project.